Hi, Mary from Reviewer's Diary. I am here with my January BeautyFix. Yeah, it's almost the end of January, and so I will have to produce this before February comes along. Can't believe it. I've only had this box for a short time. I'm still waiting for my January Allure box, which has been shipped, so it might, who knows, might show up tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow's Monday. Anyway, this is, I have mixed feelings about this box. As usual, BeautyFix, you please me and you also befuddle me. Like, I can't figure out what the hell they're thinking sometimes with all the samples. So anyway, I'm going to get into this box. January box is a good box, but not a great box. It does have something in there that is $70, so I guess I won't complain, and it's something I do want to try, but I currently have a whole bunch of other stuff waiting in line, so this will not get tried for a while. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. And of course, in the box, and this always has one of these. This one has no air in it though, so I don't know how helpful that was. Probably not very. And there's the card, and I knew that we were going to get a Jouer highlighter. I just wasn't prepared for how small it was going to be. So anyway, here's the card, and I'll read it to you. Oh great, it's the thing is, the card is stuck to the paper. It's a card that has an adhesive on it that holds the little tiny highlighter to it, so instead it decided to grab the paper. Okay, so here's what I saw when I opened the box. Some good, some you know, so there is some good stuff and some yeah. There are two full-size items in here. Sorry about that, had to take care of a doggy issue. So anyway, what I was doing when the dog interrupted me, I was showing you basically what's in here. There is an item, it's not a cruelty-free company, but it is the main item in this box, and that is this Aven retinol. It's made with retinaldehyde, which is an alternative that's supposed to be a little more gentle than regular Retin-A is. It's $70. So it's the main thing in this box. The other full-size item, because there are only two items that are full-size, is Lip Quench. I do really like the Lip Quench. This goes for 12 bucks. I do like it, but I can live without getting it in my box. I have used up Lip Quench before. It feels a lot like Juicy Tubes from Lancome on the lips. So anyway, those are the first two things, and the rest of the things are sample size. So it's kind of disappointment. Alright, so there's a sample of this, which is spray for your hair, and I already have a sample, and it's a little smaller than this, my sample. I might just give this away. Then there is the only other thing I was really excited about, which is a Jouer highlighter, and it's a little cardboard sample, but I think it'll last for a while, but it's in a little cardboard sample thing. Let's see, what color do I get? I'll have to put on my glasses to read that to you, because it came in 3 different colors, I guess based on your skin tone, which is one of the things I think you answer when you first join BeautyFix. So, because they always send me like light foundation and stuff like that, so I think that it was so long ago, but I think that's what they ask you. And there are 3 other sample items in here. One of them is a shower sheet uni wipe. I guess this is good if you go to the gym and you're really grimy. It is Leaping Bunny certified, and it's apparently a big towelette. You can, it says large body something. I'll read it to you with my glasses on. I also got another tube of this. I like this brand, but this feels like it has nothing in it. And then there's the Skin & Co. Serum. I think I have another one of these, so if I go to use this, because there's just a tiny bit in the bottom of the tube, I'll have to combine the two so that I can actually see if I like it. So anyway, this is called Glow Baby Glow, is the name of this month's box, and this is January. I'm really trying to not be too disappointed. I did not cancel my subscription to BeautyFix. I also already have a lot of skincare stuff, but I don't have anything with retinaldehyde, which I've been reading a lot about, which is supposed to be gentler than Retin-A. So I am kind of excited to try that. So let me put on my glasses and I will read the card to you. You'll see the other side of the card while I'm reading the right side of the card, and I'll hold up the products. First, I want to see what kind of delivery system we have with this. I think it might be a reverse pump because it's got holes in the bottom. That I like, because usually you don't get a lot of air in, I was going to say hair, you don't get a lot of air in these tubes that have a reverse pump. So as you're pumping the product, the bottom comes up instead of it just letting air in to compensate. So this is a pretty nice size. It is 1 fluid ounce in a reverse pump. It looks like it has a really tiny nozzle, which you probably don't use a lot of this. And this says on the front, retinaldehyde. And retinaldehyde is supposed to be less damaging to your face in general, to your skin. At least I've been watching a lot of Brianna Stanko videos about this, and so I was, not this particular one, but about retinaldehyde, and so I'm very interested to try this. So it says Avenretrinol 0.1 intensive cream, a naturally healthy glow starts with treating your skin, and during the wintry months this anti-aging treatment plumps and fills lines, brightens skin tone. A retinol substitute that's visibly effective and formulated for all skin types. That's what retinol is, retinaldehyde is. Alright, so on here it says directions. Apply to face and neck in the evening or as directed by your physician. So it's a nighttime skin treatment. It would be used in place of using any like Retin-A type product, which I haven't been really good about using anyway. I've been doing the Lazy Girl's face at night, and I just haven't, for whatever reason, I just have not used my Retin-A, which maybe that's why I look so wrinkly. I think Retin-A is not something that you can stop using, and I'm not sure if I want to keep using it. Alright, so the next thing, let's see, let's do the next full size and the only other full size thing, and that is this lip quench. And what this says is moisturizing, softening, making your lips oh so kissable with a touch of shimmer. There's a reason why this lippy is a Derm Store customer favorite. As soybean, olive, and sweet almond oils. Smooth, dry, chapped lips and provide lasting comfort. I do know that I really like this, but I have a lot of lip softening type stuff right now. Focus, 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 focus. I have a lot of stuff already that is, you know, for lips, so I might give this one away. I don't really need it. And I think it's $12 is how much it costs on the Derm Store site. The rest of the stuff is, of course, samples. Like I said, I am curious about this Uni Wipe, and so it's a shower sheet. It says Shower Sheets Large Body Wipe. Whether you're about to snuggle in after a long day or having to rise and shine on brisk morning, we know that in-between stage of getting out of your bed and into clothes can feel like the longest winter. This cleansing shower sheet, yes, we said shower sheet, will have you fresh in a flash. I don't know if I'd ever use this, so it might actually get given away also. Let's see. I don't know how big it is. I don't know if I would ever use it, and so I might put it in my gym bag and never pull it out, so I don't want to take that chance. Next thing, now I'm going to go on to back to the front of the card. And the next thing is the Caviar Anti-Aging Miracle Multiplying Volume Mist Spray Volume. Okay, so it's a volumizer for your hair. And it says Caviar Anti-Aging Miracle Multiplying Volume Mist by Alterna. While you're refreshing your skin regimen with glow boosting essentials, it's often easy to forget about another equally important piece of hair care. Okay, I'm not going to spray this because I'm going to probably put this into trade because I already own one of these and it's bigger than this. Okay, next thing is the Jouer highlighter that is like comically small. So here's the card. The color that I got is Tiara, which is this metal color right here. That's got a little piece of the tissue stuck. I believe Jouer is cruelty free, but I'm not absolutely positive. It has like a Snapchat address. I don't know how to use Snapchat. Every time I click the little icon on my phone, it takes a picture of me sitting there. So I don't know. I would watch some Snapchats, but I don't think I want to record any Snapchats. Alright, so this highlighter, it's in a little cardboard thing, very reminiscent of the, it's got a magnet though, it's magnetized. So that's good, but it's a little cardboard thing that, hear that? Reminds me of the Balm. Yeah, they send you stuff in like cardboard. And this looks like a really deep pan. Oh, I think it might be a cream. It is. Holy crap, I didn't expect that. I just rubbed the surface of it and found that it's a, you can't really see it in this with the lights, but it's very nice. Oh, cripes. Too bad it's tiny. Anyway, according to the card, it says, to top off the glow that you're radiating from within, reach for this creamy highlighter, soft to the touch, with reflective shimmers of gold and champagne. Well, I actually like this, and I hope the pan is deep and doesn't, I hope this doesn't run out like right away. It's very creamy and soft, and it makes like a slightly golden highlight, which is perfect for my warm skin tone. Huh. Let's give this a try. Well, I didn't get very much on my finger there. Oh yeah. Huh. I can see it, but it may not be showing up on camera. Very, very pretty and very nice. I do really like it. So there are only 2 items remaining in this box. This box is kind of a travesty. Except, of course, the Retronol product is $70, so I guess they made the $100 promise with everything else. Alright, so this is Skin Medica. I put my glasses back on. By the way, after this video, you'll see a video about Vermouth glasses. And so you'll see their glasses on me. So anyway, this Skin Medica is Dermal Repair Cream. I've gotten this dermal repair cream so many times now. I just finished one sample today, as a matter of fact. Dermal Repair Cream by Skin Medica. You know those pesky dry patches on your face that seem to make their appearance this time of year? Repair your skin with this all-in-one moisturizing treatment. Plus powerful antioxidant cocktail, blah, 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 blah. I do really like Skin Medica products, and so I never mind getting Skin Medica. I just already have this one. I think it came in one of the recent boxes. And this one is Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy. I know I have a couple of these. I haven't tried it yet, so I might combine this at the same time that I use this. So anyway, it says Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Serum. Luxurious truffle makes everything better, and this serum is no exception. With an advanced antioxidant rich formula and truffle extract, it works beyond the surface layer of your skin to restore a youthful, radiant complexion. Okay, so this has product. It looks like it's right to here. So it's like a finger width of product. I really hate that companies use giants. Not all of them. Some of them are a little more honest with their sample sizes. But this sample is just a tiny bit in the bottom of the tube. I do have a couple of these, and so when it comes time to use this, which hopefully will be soon, I'll combine it with the other tubes that I have. Okay, so I just really have mixed feelings about this box. Like, you know, there's a lot of weird stuff in here, and there are a couple of like really decent things. And, you know, of course this Retronol, unfortunately it's not cruelty free, but I am looking forward to trying that, because Retronol is supposed to be more gentle than flat out Retin-A, and a bunch of little tubes. I can't even stand them up. So I have really mixed feelings about this box. I have not quit this box. I probably won't quit this box for a while. I don't really need more skincare, and that's what this usually is, more skincare and hair care with just sometimes a little bit of makeup. If you got this box, let me know how you feel about it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It does help me quite a bit, and it also shows the video to other people. And so please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you're not subscribed, click the little head. I don't know which corner it's going to show up in, but click the little head picture, and that is actually a subscribe button. And as you've been watching this video, down below there's also a little picture of me. That is also a subscribe button. Make sure you click the bell so you get notified every time I put up a new video. Now that I'm back on a more normal taping schedule, I'll be putting up videos more often, so make sure you click that bell. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary, and very mixed feelings about this box. Thanks, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.